Hey guys, welcome to Electrofund. This is my 16th video tutorial on Python programming. In this video tutorial, we are gonna see how we can calculate date and time in Python. So let's get started. I'll start a new code by Control N. Okay. So there are many methods to calculate date and time in Python. So let's see one of them in this video. So what I'm trying to do over here is I'm trying to use an object called datetime from a module having the same name datetime. Now why we need to do this over here is basically you must have seen that most of the time when we are importing any module, we just write import the name of the module, like import time, import math. But why I'm specifying date time over here? Because in the object called date time there's a function called now, which we will use to get the time, the current time and date. So that's the reason we are using this. So we'll take a variable called now. Yeah. So object, function, storing it in a variable. So let's just print and check. I'll save it on desktop with the name time, and then I'll run the code. Yeah, as you can see, we are getting the year, the month, the date and the time. As it is 12:54 over here, so we are getting 00:53. It is showing us in 24-hour format. So let's see how we can make it more like user friendly. So I'll just comment this line, and what I'll do is I'll just take year, now dot year, and then month is now dot month, the day or date, the day is now dot day, and what I'll do is I'll just print all of them and check what we get. Yeah, I'll save it and I'll run it using the F5. So as we can see, the format of it has changed as we have taken the values and stored it in a variable, and then we have printed all of them. So this looks much better. So in this way you can get time and use the module called date time, having a function, having an object called date time as well, and function called now. So I hope you have understood this, and see you for the next video with some new or other method of calculating date and time. Till then, bye bye, take care, like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.